Hey everybody, I am sitting here in front of my little wall of Svedka to tell you that right now we have Svedka at an incredible price. Now we have had Svedka Vodka, which is a 5 times distilled vodka from Sweden. It's been a brand that we have been behind probably since the very start of All Star 15 years ago. And years ago, Svedka used to have the slogan that they were going to be the #1 vodka of 2033. And if their numbers are any indication, they are actually on track to become that. Svedka has recently cracked the top 10 as far as vodkas that are sold by volume. People really like it. It's a great quality vodka, and you're getting it at a really great quality price. Now, we've always had really good pricing on Svedka at All Star, and I just wanted to let you know that right now we have even better pricing. So you can save a couple more dollars off our everyday fantastic price, and I would definitely take advantage of that. They're also, the thing I love about Svedka is they've got some really fun flavors. So besides the original, which is, like I said, a 5 times distilled winter wheat vodka from Sweden, you have also got flavors like strawberry lemonade. Their cucumber lime has been really popular and great in Bloody Marys. Their mango pineapple is another really good flavor. They've got a jalapeno grapefruit that I really love. They've got a peach one. They've just got some fun flavors. They're good. They're clean. As far as where they fall kind of in the sweetness scale, they're probably a little sweeter than some vodkas that are out there. They're not as sweet as others, so they're kind of in that happy medium. And they just do a really fun flavor combos, and you're getting great quality vodka at the base of it. So I hope that you will stop into All Star, that you will load up on some Svedka vodka, and that Svedka will be the next thing you serve at your summer party. So we'll see you next time at All Star.